I think I'm happy about my makeup today. I'm not sure. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try to film this. I'm in a hotel room right now. I don't know how it's gonna sound because I forgot my mic. So I'm using the onboard mic, which is not always the best. I'm hoping it's gonna be okay, and I know the lighting is not great. So hopefully my hair is not too dark. I'm just going to sit here and talk about my hair. My last video was, I think it was the Sisterlocks decision video, or was it the first update? I'm not really sure. Let me check. Yeah, it was my 6 weeks update. So I filmed my 6 weeks update mid-April, and right now we are beginning of August, and my Sisterlocks were installed on the 1st of March. So that means right now I am 5 months in, and I am ecstatic about the journey. 5 months in and my hair has already started to thicken up. My last retie was 3 weeks ago, and I think I still have another 3 weeks to go until my next retie because of scheduling. I couldn't get it in 4 or 5 weeks, which is usually my delay. I go every 4 to 5 weeks usually. I prefer getting my appointments in the morning. Usually I'm busy later in the afternoon, so if I get it in like right away in the morning, it's better for me. I have I don't waste my day, quote unquote, because it's still about 4 hours approximately to retie my hair. I still haven't said how many Sisterlocks I have. I'm waiting to see if I can make a video out of it and if I can like do a big unveiling. There's nothing really to talk about, so that's why I haven't been on camera. Like I said, my locks are doing really well. They have not locked yet, but they have gotten thicker. I don't know if you can see that. My grid is still very beautiful, and I have nothing to say about the way she did my hair. It was so good, and every time I go to get my reties, I am so happy. I always wear my hair like this. This is my everyday hairstyle. I never do anything else to my hair. I don't style it any other way. I take it sometimes deeper and separate it like this, but usually I do it like that because my locks are not long enough, and sometimes my nails snag on my hair. But yeah, my locks are not long enough, so like if I do it a deeper part here or try to lift my hair up like that, it doesn't really stay. So, but sometimes if my hair is like freshly washed, it will, so I can do it, but most of the time it's this type of part right here. And I have really small locks here, so sometimes they stick up, but I always try to make sure that I make them conform. And I'm not really like, it's not something that bothers me at all if my hair sticks up, whatever. You know, if I see it, I fix it. If not, whatever. Let's see if I can do a 360. Right, so this is the side. And so I'm gonna stay just a little bit so that it can focus. Turn the other side. And I'm gonna try to turn and show you my back. Find the shot. maybe I'll show you the top of my head. These are my shortest locks. Okay, so I hear the camera struggling, so it might not have filmed it properly, so sorry. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like at 5 months. I'm really happy. At the beginning of the year, when I installed, I knew we were gonna celebrate my husband's 40th this year, so I wanted my hair to look nice and I wanted to lose weight. Well, I accomplished one of these goals. Didn't really lose weight, but I was able to get my hair to thicken up for the party. I didn't even end up taking that many pictures. I was the one taking pictures, and so I didn't get to be in pictures, but my hair looked good. And I can't believe how thick it is right now, because my hair is fine and thin, especially in this area, which I can't, like, you can see how short it is. What's my routine with my hair right now? I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I was able to stretch that instead of every week like I used to do with my natural hair. I wash it every 2 weeks, but also as needed. So if I feel like after a week I need to wash it, I will. But most of the time I'm able to stretch it to 2 weeks and sometimes even 3 weeks. I still use the Sisterlocks shampoo. I still have a little bit of dandruff, but it's not that bad. In the beginning, I was really feeling the itchy scalp, but that went away. I still braid and band, of course. My hair is really fine. I still get slippage in the back. Like, I would feel it and I'd be like, oh my god, my hair has so much new growth. And then I asked my consultant, I'm like, is that really new growth that I feel when I touch my hair? She's like, well, in this area, my hair is really, really soft. So she's like, it's definitely not growth. It's most likely slippage. And I still have the baby locks, the little ones in the front that kind of unravel more towards the end of my, you know, my cycle. Usually they unravel like the wash before I go back to retighten my hair, and so I have to have them redone. I'm gonna try to film a video about how I braid and bend my hair, because I do certain things differently from what I've seen, and that might help somebody. I think I'm gonna share that because it's something that's part of my journey that I may want to remember maybe a few years down the line. Like I said, I never do anything to my hair. I never style it. So the most that I've done when I'm hot is put it in a ponytail. And usually I don't really tighten the ponytail. I just hold it like that. Put the holder like that without looping it a couple times. Just one pull through and that's it, and it's off my shoulders. That would help me because it was really hot in July in Montreal. This is why I don't film, because it's kind of boring. Nothing's happening to my hair. I don't have anything to show. I don't know about growth. Like, I would have to watch the other video to see if my hair grew. I can't do length check with Sisterlocks, I feel like. Like, I mean, what, do I pull it? What do I do? I feel like it's the same length, because what my hair did when it was installed, it was longer, it was stringy, and then once it got, you know, some water in it, it shrunk to give me the little curls at the bottom, and I actually love them. They're so cute. I love my hair. Let me just change my depth of field so that my hair can be more in focus. Okay, let me try to do that. It won't be long. Okay, so I'm gonna fix my... Okay, Okay, so I don't know how much of my hair you can see now, but like if I show you my ends, really cute. Really, really cute. I love the little curlies. And they're not getting like harder, fatter. They're not like, nothing's really happening. I just wanted to stop by and give an update, and I'm hoping that this will be interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. Every time I film, I'm never sure what I'm gonna do with the footage. So if I post this, thank you so much for watching. And for those new subscribers, I see you. Since I've started publishing Sisterlocks videos, I've gotten a few subscribers. So hello everyone. Thank you so much. Maybe every few months I will give, I would say, a few videos a year. And you will get at least yearly updates, because with Sisterlocks, I think yearly updates are really telling. But so far so good. Everything's going really well. My hair is flourishing with the Sisterlocks, and the reason I got them is for the freedom of it, and I really feel it. I don't know how long my hair will grow with the locks. I'm not really super ambitious. I just want like bra strap length. The longest that I was able to grow my hair was armpit length, and it wasn't even a full armpit length. So I'm hoping to pass armpit length. That's my goal. That's my goal, because I have to pace myself. I don't want to be disappointed, but at the same time, I know my hair will be able to grow longer than what I've been able to do with my regular journeys, because it's not just my hair, it's also the shed hair, and I shed a lot. Like I said before, so far so good. I am really happy with how the journey is going, and I have so much love for my hair and the thickness that I've gotten so far, and I know it's gonna get thicker after a year. It's gonna expand a little bit more. I've seen the girls after 2 years or something, a year or 2 years, the strands get so much thicker. It's amazing. I keep losing little hairs, so I'm hoping that will stop. Anyways guys, I was really glad to be able to come on and just give you a little bit of an update. It's really very brief. Nothing's happening with my hair, but I love my hair so far. It's really what I wanted it to be. I'm loving it, and it's been 5 months. 5 months. Last time I gave an update was at 6 weeks, so that was like 4 months ago. So my hair, this is the evolution. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.